How to add a picture album in gallery to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on gallery. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on albums. And then open up the albums that you want to add to the home screen. Then tap on the more button here and tap on add to home screen. And then tap on add. I don't think you can change the icon. It will always use the default image cover. And then tap on add. Okay, so it has been added to the home screen here. So this will allow you to quickly access your picture album without having to open up gallery. And that's it. So every time you tap on it, it will always open up the album. So here I can go back to my gallery homepage. And if I tap on that shortcut, it always open up the albums ready for you to view pictures and photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.